In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create bills of materials in Odoo. A bill of materials, often called a BOM, is the record that tells Odoo exactly what goes into making a product. It includes the finished item, the components required, and the quantities needed. This is an important setup step in manufacturing because it helps Odoo track materials accurately and supports production planning. To begin, open your Odoo dashboard and click on the manufacturing application. This is where you'll manage production-related records, including your bills of materials. If you work with assembled products, this is the main area you'll use to define how those products are built. Once you're inside the manufacturing app, go to Products in the top menu bar, then select Bills of Materials. From there, click New to create a new BOM. This opens the form where you'll define the product and the materials required to produce it. Next, select the final item you want to manufacture or build. This should be the finished product that your team will create during the manufacturing process. Make sure you choose the correct item here because everything in the BOM will be linked to that final product. After that, choose the appropriate BOM type. In Odoo, you'll typically see options such as manufacture this product or kit. If the item is actually produced through a manufacturing process, choose the manufacturing option. If the product is sold as a bundle of components without being manufactured in the traditional sense, select kit. Picking the right option is important because it affects how Odoo handles inventory and order processing. Now move to the Components tab and click Add a Line. This is where you'll enter all of the materials needed for the product, add each raw material or subassembly, along with the required quantity for each one. Take your time here and be as accurate as possible since these quantities determine what Odoo will expect and consume during production. If your company uses subassemblies, make sure those are listed correctly as well so the structure of the product is complete. When everything looks correct, click Save in the top left corner to finalize the new bill of materials. Saving the BOM makes it available for future manufacturing orders and ensures your product is ready to be used in the production workflow. And that's it. Once your BOM is saved, you've successfully created the foundation Odoo needs to manufacture that product consistently and accurately.